Hey, welcome back, friends. We're out here on the back patio today. If you watched our most recent video, our last video, you'll know that we picked up a Grand Design Imagine 2670 MK to have some fun with. We're going to plan some adventures and just have a great time. But one thing that we picked up along with that was a new griddle. A Blackstone 17-inch griddle. I'll show it to you guys here. And one of the first steps that you need to do with this griddle is to have it seasoned. And I've done some research on YouTube, and there sounds like there's a million different opinions on how to go about this. So I'm gonna come up with kind of the best of all of those and give it a shot and see how it goes. And I thought I would take you along. So let's take a look at it. So this is the 17-inch tabletop version of the Blackstone. Perfect size for the two of us. Looks really nice. Seems like really good quality. All the research that I did, they seem like they are tried and true. So I've got the gas hooked up here, got my supplies. There was a million different ideas on what kind of oil to use. Some people said vegetable oil, some people said canola oil, some people said oil. I mean, it was just like crazy. So seems like everybody kind of has their own opinion on it. So we're going to go with vegetable oil because that's what I had on hand. And let's get it fired up. All right, so we've got it turned on. You can see it's starting to get a little hot here, but we want to make sure that this is all good and hot. From what I understand, give it 10-15 minutes and you'll really see this all discolor and get super hot. And then what we'll do is we'll put on our first bit of oil and use some tongs along with some paper towels, and we're going to cover this entire grill surface, the outside, all along the edges, everywhere, with the oil, and let it burn off. So let's go ahead and let it continue to heat up. Again, you can see it starting to change colors here. Let it heat up, and then we'll come back and put the oil on it. All right, so we've been heating up for about 10 minutes here. You guys can already see, nice discoloration. Obviously those are the hot spots for the grill, so we want to know that. But so we're good and hot. What we're going to want to do is go ahead and put on our oil. Good amount of oil there. Then use that oil along with this paper towel and get the entire surface all covered with oil. So that will allow all of this to burn off. And the idea about this, from what I have read, is that this will create the non-stick surface. Some sort of chemical reaction occurs and creates the non-stick surface, and also seasons the grill so we don't have any like rust issues, since this is cast iron. But you want to get the outside area, along the back, that entire surface. So the mixed messages that I've heard on this is some people have said 1 or 2 rounds of seasoning. I've also heard some people say 4 or 5, and then you've heard some crazy things out there that people have done it like 20 or 30 times. I think I'm going to go with 4 or 5, and we'll see how it looks. So I'll do this for a few more rounds, and I'll come back to you guys when I've got the final one complete and we can have a look at it. Alright guys, we took it through its paces here. We ended up with 5 nice thin coats of oil, vegetable oil, that I put on it, let it burn off, put another coat on, nice thin coat. From what I understand, if you go too thick, it can end to like chip off and not be as durable as maybe what you want it to be. So let's take a look and see what we've got here. So nice and dark. This last coat is burning off right now. Nice and dark, exactly what you want from what I've seen. So I think we would chalk this one up as a success. So pretty excited about that, how it turned out. So we'll see. I can't wait for the first cook on it. Maybe some breakfast, maybe some smash burgers. I don't know. What do you guys think we should be the first thing that we cook on the Blackstone? Love to hear your opinions and maybe recipes that you guys have. But until next time, guys, I think that this is a few more preparations for the big trip. And I appreciate you guys watching, and let me know what you guys have learned about your Blackstones. Until next time, bye-bye.